Look at just how insanely tender this is. Today is Mexico's Independence Day, so for recipe number 2 of my Latin Heritage Month series, we're making beer-braised barbacoa. This dish is slow cooked until insanely tender, and the Mexican lager adds so much depth and brings out every bit of flavor from the meat, spices, aromatics, and chilies. And the result is melt in your mouth deliciousness that you'll crave over and over again. You can pile it high on warm tortillas and top it with onion, cilantro, salsa, and a squeeze of lime, or serve it with rice and beans for the ultimate comfort meal. This is recipe 2 of 30, and there's so much more to come, so hit that follow button and join me all month long for more delicious recipes.